Something we're really passionate about in CNi Solutions and we're currently pushing with our clients is disaster recovery. What is disaster recovery? Because obviously it sounds like quite a scary word when we talk to clients, but actually it's something that's very important for your business. Certainly people think that disaster recovery is when it's a loss of premises or something to that effect, but actually disaster recovery, you need to have a policy in place just because your IT might be stolen, for instance. So if someone comes in, steals your IT equipment, it might have accounts on there, it might have client data on there. Everything that you need to run your business day to day could be stored on that system, which obviously once it's gone, you're not going to get that back. Now some of the things that clients do currently is they might use an external hard drive, which is quite a popular thing for people to do. The only problem with that is a lot of clients leave them behind in the office. Of course, IT gets stolen, they take the external hard drives with them. So again, the problem is still there. So what we like to do is kind of work with you as a client of ours, and we kind of put that disaster recovery in place for you. It's very important to have that. A lot of clients don't actually realise in some cases it's a legal requirement under the Data Protection Act. So if you don't actually have an off-site backup, you're actually, you're actually not following the code of that act as well. So sometimes these things are, you really do have to consider them as a business. So how do we do that? Well, we have secure off-site backup, which is an automated process. So for instance, if you're one of our clients that might have a server, which a lot of our clients do, it's an automated process where the server backs up to off-site backup. You're 100% secure. It goes back to a data center, which in itself can have several mechanisms within it to ensure that the data held at that data center is secure. So it might be fire suppression, heavy security. Often the addresses aren't listed publicly and so on and so forth. So you know that you've always got a very secure data storage of your business in effect and its clients' records off-site, so that something was to happen, we can have you up and running really within a matter of hours. All you need is a laptop, a computer and so on and so forth, and we can then get that data back to you as soon as possible. Some of the other things that we do, which is quite important, because obviously we do have clients that do have very good disaster recovery policies, as we actually test the data for corruption. What we find with a lot of our clients is we say, have you got a disaster recovery? And we go, yes, this is what we do. We've been doing it for the last 10 years. It works really well. And we go, that's fantastic. Have you actually tested it? Have you actually done a dummy run and tested if there's any corruption in the data, for instance, and so on and so forth? And more often than not, what we find is a lot of clients actually haven't done that. So one of the things that we do is actually test the feasibility of it, the speed of how we can get that data back and so on and so forth, so that as a business you know that if there are issues that come forth, you know that you're in a really strong position to back that up. Some of the other benefits of that are obviously insurance, so you can actually reduce your insurance costs by having a very good disaster recovery in place, because your insurance company knows that within a matter of hours you're going to be up and running again and your clients are going to experience the minimum downtime possible. Some of the other things that we can work with on disaster recovery as well is we can actually provide external offices. So some of our larger clients, they actually want to have a facility whereby if something was to happen to their building, they can actually go to a separate building as well. And that's something that we can provide through serviced office propositions as well. So it's very much a complete package, and as we do with all of our services, we go in and we talk to you and see what your needs and wants are, and then we can create a package that's going to best suit those. So that's a little bit about disaster recovery. And obviously if you want to know some more, please get in touch with myself or another member of the team.